Here is the Subaru Crosstrek. Let's go ahead and get started. Open up the driver's side door. Now right over there is the primary hood release lever. Pull it. Now in front of the vehicle, right on top of the Subaru emblem, put one finger right in there and then push it left. While it's pushed left, lift up the hood. This hood requires a prop rod to stay in place, so grab the rod, put it right over there in that slot with the arrow marking it, and let it go. Let's start with the driver's side. That's the bulb over there. The way to access it is right there behind it. That is the bulb holder. And as you can see, there's enough space for me to get my hand in there to just get it in there and then twist this bulb holder left to loosen it. And that's it. Now it's loose and now I can get it out. There it is. To get the bulb off, just get the bulb and pull it out straight. It'll come right out. The bulb type is 7444NA. Check the link in the description to buy the new one from Amazon. Get the new bulb and simply push it back into the bulb holder to secure it. Just push it down firmly and that is good. Now let's just put this back into the light, and now when you do so, you may have to do some twisting and turning before it just drops right in. Right now it's not dropping in, it's just sticking out there, so see, that is good. Once it drops in like this, at this point you can just twist your right to lock it, and that is good. Now moving on to the passenger side, it's the exact same process. However, we need to get this cover out because that's obstructing our access to the bulb. So for that we need to take off two clips. Get a Phillips head screwdriver or a flathead screwdriver and just twist this middle part of the clip left a little bit till it comes out, and then try to pry that out with the screwdriver, and then try to pry out the outer part of the clip. Just pry it out and then the entire clip just comes right out. That's good. See, that's the middle part going in, keeps it in place, then you pull it out and then the entire clip comes off. Repeat the process for the other clip. Same thing, just get the middle part out a little bit and then pry it out the rest of the way with the screwdriver. At this point, this is loose. Just put your hand right where I'm putting and then lift up the cover up and toward the front of the car, like one motion, like up and toward the front. That part goes into the engine air box over there, so up and out at the same time. Once we get it out, that's the bulb holder right there. Just as easy as the driver's side. Same bulb, 744NA, no differences whatsoever. I can easily get it out, and when you're putting it back in, same thing. You may have to do some twisting and turning before it drops in. Twist it right and we're done here. Let's just put this cover back on, and again, when you're doing so, this part goes in first. Make sure this is aligned properly. Right, it just goes in there. Good. And when it does go in there properly, these holes should be lining up as well. And now it's just a matter of us putting those clips back on. So get the clip back in place and then push the middle part down to secure it. And let's do it for the other clip. And that's about it. Let's try this out. Let's turn the four-way flashers on and see if it's working fine. The driver's side is looking good, and so is the passenger side. And that is pretty much it. To close the hood, first push on the hood and get the rod out of that slot. Put it back in its place and secure it. Lower the hood and slam it shut. Hope you found it useful. Before we go, let me give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. for letting us use the car today to film the videos. They are a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in description for their entire inventory.